Last week, I got a report from one of my fans. This person lost money in the process of buying crypto from P2P. Now today, I got another report from someone that recently lost money up to 200,000 naira in the process of buying crypto from P2P. And that is why I'm making this video for you. And it is better for you to give me your full attention because I'm about to show you what caused these people to lose money in the process of buying crypto from P2P. And it's just a minor mistake, something you don't know. If you're very new to crypto space, you need to watch this. If you have been buying crypto from P2P, you need to watch this because this could happen to anybody. This can happen to anyone. Your might be 500,000 naira, your might be 1 million, 2 million. Now, in order to avoid the last word of a fool, which is had I know, it is better you move closer, find something to relax yourself, and give me your full attention by watching this video from the beginning to the end. It's a very short video. I want to tell you what caused this for them to lose money in the process of buying crypto using P2P. And I want to tell you the solution, just something minor, but many of you don't know it because I don't think there is a video on that on YouTube channel, except you have mentor you paid for that you have to tell the person and they will tell you what to do. So I'm about to reveal this now. If you are very new to my YouTube channel, my name is Sheidaro. What you can just do to support my channel and to help yourself is to give this video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video because this will actually help many people. I invite you to join my WhatsApp TV. Just check the pinned comments. You will see link to connect with me and be part of my WhatsApp TV viewers. Without further ado, guys, let's go. I will use CoinNet and I will use other exchanges to show you this. The first thing, if you want to buy from P2P now, I know you will go to P2P. This is P2P, and you might not see P2P here. If you are very new to the exchange you are using, you can click on this. If you don't see P2P here, just click on this one. You see more here, click on it, and when you click on it, you may see it around here. Or there are some exchange where they will give you option to search for it. There will be a bar to search for that particular thing you are looking for. I don't think CoinNet have it here, but you can look for it around here. Just like here you are seeing it here, you will see P2P. So let me click it even from here. So this is where you were. I will assume that this happened to you, but that will not be your portion. But should be in case you can buy crypto from here now. Maybe let me put in a set buy from here. You can buy from here. I won't go to that. Is another video entirely on how to buy using P2P. If you don't have knowledge about that, I have it. Just check the pinned comment. I have a lot of videos on P2P and many more. So now the situation is this: when they click on buy, let's say I click on buy, I want to buy from this person now, and from here now I enter, okay, I want to buy some of 1 million worth of USDT I want to buy, and I select so this person want, okay, and I click on this now, then I click on buy. When you click on buy, the next thing is this person will accept it, right? Accept the request that you want to buy, and this person will release the account details. And once you see this account details, the next thing is you want to go and fund the account details. In the process, this is where the accident usually happen. In the process, you see the account. I don't want to click this so that because I don't have intention of buying it. But some of you, if you have watched my video on how to buy from P2P, you will know what I'm talking about. But me, I will not click on this buy button here. So when I click on buy button, that person will accept your request and the person will automatically release the account details. So the next thing is you will want to navigate like this. Do you see it like this? And go to your bank app in order to transfer to that account. And this is where accidents usually happen. The moment you navigate away to go and look for your bank details, something like that, when you send the money, you send 1 million to that person. Okay, now let me go back to my app to continue from where I am. That is where accidents usually happen. You click on this like this place will just disappear. You won't see anything here again. It will just come like very new, like you just open the app fresh. Please give me your full attention. Some people have BP because of this thing I'm talking about here. Some people's BP rise because of this thing. So you have to take this thing serious. The thing will just come to home page like this, like the app just load new. So what are you going to do now now when you see yourself here and you know you were in that person page, like you're just seeing something new like this, you have paid the money just for you to come back here and follow it up, then the person will release the coin for you and you are seeing your account, exchange account loading new like this. What will you do? You will be sweating profusely like, oh, I don't enter them. And many people have encountered something like this, and as a result they lost the money. So that is why I'm giving you this video to tell you the simple solution. So solution is this: go back to that P2P again. Don't worry, go back to P2P again, click on this P2P, then come to this place. You see this place here, this is what? Orders. Just so simple. Now click on orders. When you click on orders, you see that this is in progress. In progress, you should see your this thing around here. You should see it here. And once you see it like this, you show it in progress. Once you see like this, click on it. It will take you to where you were, and you upload the proof of payments, and that's all. What you lost, you have access to it back. Okay, let me click on this all so that you see everything, both in progress and everything. Okay, now look at all. I don't have anything in progress, but I'm just using this one to show you how it may look like. Just see my own now. This was the last one I did. I sold USDT, that's 1.8 million plus. So if I click on this now, just like this, you know, this one is a completed something, but your own now, you will continue from where you were and upload the proof of payment. I think it is clear, right? If it is clear, just drop it for me in the comment section in order for me to be happy that you are following. Okay, let's go to another exchange. Some people are not used to CoinEx. Let me say, okay, let me go to Bybit. If you're in Bybit, I don't need to teach you how to get P2P again. So let me just click on P2P straight up from here. So when I click on it now, I get to this place. I think you know it also. You know what to do now. So just come to this place, then click on these orders. The same thing, very simple. This strategy I'm teaching you, many people lost money. In fact, many people forget about crypto trading, anything crypto, because of this something like this, because they were like this is a scam. This is a scam. You know, when you don't have knowledge about something, you call it scam, and you will see everything here. Do you get it? Okay, let me still take you to another exchange. This is Mexi. You can click on more here. Click on more, then click on P2P. So now click on this place. You know, that one is different. I don't know, maybe because of my IP, because they don't allow Nigeria. As at now, when I'm making this video, they don't allow Nigeria to use their P2P. So now you will see it here. Click on this button and this 3 dotted line. When you click on it, now see what are we seeing here? This is order. Click on this orders. That's all, and many more like that. That is how to get it. Are you clear with it now? That is so simple. I think you grab it. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, drop it for me in the comment section. Or if you have a particular thing you want me to tell you about, drop it for me in the comment section. If people like this don't let me know, I may not able to come out with this kind of video that will actually benefit my viewers. What are your challenges with crypto space? Drop it in the comment section, then I can find my time to make a video around it in order to train you viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video, drop your comment and share this video, then join my WhatsApp TV through the pinned comment. Please, this video, I want you to go and watch it. Very, very important. I've made a lot of money from here, and this one, a lot of money I made from them. So I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.